In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the green dot that appears occasionally on your Samsung Galaxy phone's top right corner. So the green dot basically indicates that one of your apps is either using your camera or microphone. So for instance, if I open the camera app on my phone, I'll immediately see the green dot. Now if I open the notifications panel, I'm seeing the green dot here as well. Now if I tap on it, it will tell me which app is using the camera. So in this case, it's the camera app itself. Now from here, I can close the camera app or manage access for it. So I can revoke its camera access using this particular option. Now I can go to camera and then select don't allow. Similarly, if one of my apps is using the microphone, so if I open the voice recorder app and then start recording, I'll see the green dot. Now if I open the notifications panel and then tap on that green dot, again it will tell me which app is using the microphone. I can then close the app from here and the green dot will immediately disappear. So this is a useful privacy indicator in case one of your apps is spying on you. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.